What do you do when it's a Sunday night and the auto parts store gave you the wrong brake pads? Well, you preheat the oven to 250 degrees. Break out the JB Weld. Take the brake pad part that was metal on your rotor, grind it down, has the little divots on the back. Get a donor pad of a junk vehicle that you swapped that has some beef left on it. Grind it to fit. If this was the same metal pattern, I would have laid this on here and ground it to fit and made a pair that way. But this one, ground the back, try to keep a divot and center that thing in there. JB Weld epoxy, slop it on there, put the two pieces together, bake it at 250 degrees for so many minutes to accelerate it, and voila, you got a brake job.